aka Coupe, my title for my gaming peoples, and we're gonna find out how good of a state is my 220,000 mile VQ engine by doing a 0 to 60 pull in Mexico. And without further ado, I'm gonna show you guys my engine bay and see how the state is as of right now. Okay, so here is my engine bay. We have some leaves over there. Now I will be cleaning all this thing out in a future episode, but for now, this is what I have to work with. On this side, we have no leaks whatsoever, and on this side, we do have major leakage. You can see right here, a lot of oil, and under there, I don't know if you guys can see it, under the intake, that's full of oil right there. Slowly but surely, we're gonna upgrade this, and I'm gonna document every step of the way until I get this for the Vader. But yeah, I feel happy. I feel like the engine has a lot of life left, because I thought this engine had like 5,000 miles left or something. For the beta build, I may start like with this engine, and I will switch it up later on. Like I said, this is an automatic, and this will be a 6-speed. Actually, when I do the Vader, I'm gonna do the 6-speed swap. So yeah, that will be interesting. So that is it for this video. If you like the content, please give me a big like on this video, and if you're new, just give me a big subscribe, because 1 is free, and 2, it tells YouTube that I'm doing a great job. You do not want to miss this progress along for the Vader, and a lot more content to come from the G. So until next time, peace in the Middle East.